Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot you a quick video just to go over a few things that you can do that's going to help with your website and your Google business profile. So looking through here, site looks really great. All links are really clickable. One thing that I did notice though is really, right here it says that you service Hudson as well as surrounding areas. Let's see. I think I saw Hudson maybe two more times listed. Yeah, so here's Hudson here and then Hudson there. So that is the only locations that you have listed on your front page. Google doesn't understand what surrounding areas are. You want to have every town that you service listed out. That's very, very important. Think about if you as a client, what are you going to search? They're not going to search electrician, Hudson surrounding areas. They're going to search Nashua or Derry or Hampstead, those kind of things. So the most important thing on your front page is content. Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And the reason for that is if you have that much content, then you can strategically place all those keywords, all the different towns that you service. They want all of that on your homepage so that that's your way of telling Google, this is the search that I want to be found for. And it's your way of putting your website in front of the clients who are looking for you. So it's really important that you break it down town by town. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So looking at your site, this is the basic analytics of how you're performing online. So this is the strength and trust that you have with Google. Anything 30 and above is considered a strong site, and you're very likely to get recommended by Google. The way you boost these numbers is through backlinks, which come from referring domains. That's backlinks anytime that your website is listed on another domain and it's pointing direction back to you. But the thing is, not all these referring domains are created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. It's definitely a quality over quantity kind of thing. You want to go after the ones that have more authority and are relative to your niche. So right now, out of these 63 referring domains, only 35 of them are helping you. You're getting about 114 clicks to your site a month. So right now, it's really operating as a digital business card rather than something that's really generating income and growth. But you're ranking for 260 keywords. So let's take a look. Now, when we look at keywords, there's two different kinds. There is branded or informational ones, or there's local buyer intent. You want to be found for those local buyer intent ones. So Chamberlin Electric, that's expected. But we want to find something that, like this, electrician Manchester. So let's search 300 times a month. You're not getting any of those clicks because you're ranked 23 for that area. But believe it or not, when I came down and searched, Manch is the only city that I found you pulling up for, or getting clicks for at least. So let's take a look. So I decided to search for electrician in Nashua because you said you service surrounding areas of Hudson. And here's what comes up. This is the Google business profile right here, or your Google Maps area. So you want to do what you can to rank in the top 3 here. It's very, very important. The reason why is that 30 to 40% of the people who search are going to stop and click on one of these top 3 profiles. So the way that you do that is with your Google business profile. You want that filled out completely, especially the about section on the bottom. You want that optimized with keywords. And you also want to be posted branded and geotagged photos weekly to your Google business profile. Be sure to be responding to every Google review that you receive. A lot of business owners don't know that they're supposed to be doing that. But the most important one is citations. A citation is any time that your business address and number are listed in various directories such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. There are thousands of directories out there. So you do want to go and get yourself listed in as many as possible because the truth is Google, it's just a big popularity contest. Coming down here, this is the organic section. So the top competitor that shows up for this area is Coleman Electric Services. So we'll take a look on what they've done. Yes, they are a mass-based company, but they do come into New Hampshire, but they've created a back page. So see right here, electrician, New Hampshire, Nashua. They've created a back page for every town that they service, and that's how they're able to rank in so many places. So here's what their site looks like. They have 40,000 backlinks coming from 281 referring domains. So the idea is that you come in, find what referring domains your competitors have got their backlinks from, and not only match that, but outlist them by at least 100 referring domains. They are ranking for 3.2 thousand keywords, which is bringing them 2,000 hits to their site a month. So the same thing with the keywords. You want to come in and find what keywords are my competitors ranking for, and so that when you build that content, you have got the right keywords all throughout that. So, I mean, these keywords are going to be, like I said, they are a mass company, so a lot of Massachusetts places will pop up as well. But, it'd be very similar. Electrician in Boston, think electrician in Nashua. Electrician Boston, this would be electrician Hudson. Those are the kind of things you want to show up for. So we hope that this video has been beneficial. Again, it's just a really great way that you can utilize your website and your Google business profile to help you grow and to help you be able to be found on Google. We would love to hear your feedback, and we hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.